video is to show you how to make your automatic ramp manual in the event that the first two items that you've tried, which is checking your circuit breaker and checking the fuse, hasn't worked. All the electric ramps will be held on the actuator to the ramp with a bolt, and all we simply need to do is remove this and disconnect the automated actuator from the ramp so that you can use it manually until you can get it looked at. Let's go through the steps. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the R pin. The R pin looks like a bobby pin. All we need to do is remove that out of the hole. The second thing we need to do is remove the bolt that is connecting the actuator to the ramp. Now, you may need to add some lubrication or use some tools depending on the last time you've tried to remove this. Bringing up and down the ramp slightly to relieve the pressure will also help. Once we remove that bolt, then we can simply remove the actuator out of the way, and then the ramp will be used manually. A pro tip, if you happen to disconnect the ramp while the ramp is down, your actuator will also be stuck down. I like to take some gaffer tape or a cable tie and just tie it out of the way so it's not in your way every time you want to use it manually.